Has there ever been a more important time to improve the way we do business? Plant leaders need incredible focus to battle the tremendous problems facing today's manufacturing companies. Raw material delays, labor shortages, safety protocols, and employee training, just to name a few. The amount of possible disruptions that can bring your production process to a halt has never been greater. The list of complications a factory leader faces that can disrupt a production process seems to be never ending. And it seems that this list of disruptions has become more entrenched in the day-to-day operations of every manufacturing factory. Shielding yourself against these disruptors is becoming increasingly more difficult. For example, parts or raw material shortage have always plagued manufacturing to some degree or another. But the causes of these material disruptions were usually small shipping issues, wrong inventory requirements, or surges in customer demand. But lately, these issues seem to go much deeper into the supply chain with adverse effects all the way to the end item customer. Another common disruptor these days is a labor shortage. Sure, in the past we have dealt with some headcount issues, but recently we found ourselves with entire production lines sitting idle because our headcount is down by double-digit percentage points. These are just a couple of examples of the disruptions plant leaders face as they attempt to deliver the right product on time and in the safest and most profitable manner. So how do you shield your plant from these disruptors? Plant leaders must completely understand what is happening and when it is happening. In a factory full of production lines, stacked up with product orders, these disruptors can seem larger than they really are. We must first expose these disruptors, find their weak point, and eliminate them. This is done by having a good modern EAM system in place that captures, tracks, and exposes all disruptors in real time. Then teams have the data and visibility they need to go solve the problems. Once good, reliable data is available in real time, plant leadership can quickly prioritize where their valuable resources need to be focused. Solving the largest problems first and then pragmatically moving down the list until the chaos and uncertainty goes away. With today's modern EAM technology, factory leaders can see what is happening in a much more efficient manner and shield themselves from the impact of production disruptors. I'm Eric Whitley, Senior Account Manager here at L2L, and if you want to learn more about what a modern EAM system can do for your company, go to l2l.com and download our free ebook on how to reduce operational costs with a modern EAM. Again, I'm Eric Whitley, and thanks for watching.